This is a short tonometer, which requires a very special cleaning routine as it comes in contact with the patient's eye. Be very thorough while cleaning it and observe carefully as I show you how to do it.
Step 1. Take a cloth. Make sure that it is clean and dry. Step 2. Soak the cloth with alcohol. Don't put too much, just enough to dampen it a little bit. Step 3. Clean the tonometer with an alcohol soaked cloth. Step 4. Allow the tonometer to dry. This is a very important step. If the alcohol does not dry off before use, the patient's cornea can get damaged. Step 5. Clean it with a dry cloth between patients. Make sure you only use a clean cloth. Do not use cotton as the fibers may stick to the instrument and irritate the cornea. Now you know how to clean a tonometer.